You do your best to keep your home safe from fire damage or other emergencies. After all, the things and the people in your home are most likely the most valuable things in your life. Well, that's why we're continuing to bring guests like our next ones who are part of our Escape Fox 17 Fire Safety Campaign. Rick and Sara from CatRec Restoration. They've seen firsthand the devastation fires and other disasters can leave behind. They're joining us this morning to talk about fire safety. Good morning, guys. Thanks for being here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Appreciate it. Let's talk about CatRec. Well, I was just learning myself what you guys do. That stands for Catastrophe Recovery. CatRec. So talk a little bit about what CatRec does.
We are a 24-hour emergency service company. We take care of all fire, water, mold, remediation, anything that needs to be done in your house. We come in and take care of it for you.
Okay, so does that mean fire damage?
Fire damage in the house. We're going to come in, we're going to, show compassion. We're going to help you, walk you through it step by step. We're going to explain things that are going on in the house. When it first initiates, happens, we're going to come in, go through everything with you. We're going to walk you through it. We're going to start you, take care of all the demo work that needs to be done. We're going to fix everything that needs to be done. We're going to put you back to better than it was before.
I love how one of the first things you said is that you come in with sympathy, with empathy.
Absolutely.
Because a lot of people do this type of work,
yes,
and they do it well, but the people who are going through that, the emotions that they're going through, to come in with that attitude, to lead with empathy, that's a pretty unique feature for you to say that. What drew you to partnering with Fox 17 with us for this fire safety campaign?
Well, I think everyone wants to make a difference, whatever they're doing in the world. And when you come into a situation like you're saying, people are traumatized. And I think being able to go in and show them that there's potentialities that are in the future that they can't see right now. That's that's what draws me to that, and I think it's something that I have a passion for.
That's got to feel really rewarding to meet somebody in a space where they're obviously going through something, and to know that you have the ability to get them through that.
It's huge.
Yeah, to be able to do that. So how do you do that? Obviously, we know what's happening in Florida. We see devastation, weather patterns come through, and things like that. What does that look like for somebody who just went through a fire, or just had some severe wind damage, or some flooding? They pick up the phone, they call you. What happens?
We kind of, show them, like it's going to be okay. Like we are going to be here for you through day one. We're going to walk you through it. We're going to help you get through everything. Explain it to them. Like we're going to come in. Rick is going to go through everything, how it's going to work, one step by step to get you to the better stages. Showing that compassion that we're going to help you through it.
And you've seen this fire damage, so it's important.
Well, I've done this since 1977. So, I've done it for long enough where I have experience seeing job after job, thousands of jobs. And so I can see the end result when I come into a situation. Sometimes it's a kitchen that's completely burnt out.
Yeah, I think we're getting some shots right here our viewers are seeing. I mean, these are some before shots, right?
Yeah,
okay.
So when I come into a situation like that, I have the vision of being able to see what the end result is going to be, and I can communicate that to the customer and put them at ease a little bit. Now, they're not going to be at ease until they really see some of the results.
Like these.
Yeah, but we're a full construction company, so we have training, we have the equipment, we have employees that are A-plus, carpenters, drywallers, painters, mechanical contractors. So we have personnel that are trained to come into those situations and have a result that's phenomenal.
Well, when you see these pictures, and you might think you're seeing some of this fire damage that we just showed our viewers. I can understand why someone living in that house might not be able to even picture what that could look like, but you've seen it.
Well, and people sometimes they'll come into a house, they're buying a house, and it's blue, the walls are, and they can't see it as white. They can't see it as pink. So seeing a fire that is devastating, they can't really see anything past that.
That's well said. That's well put. You're right. Yeah. Sometimes you can't even see a different color in a room, let alone what just happened to that home. So we want to thank you for partnering with us for this, because fire safety is important. Having a plan. It's happening. I know this because anybody who has kids or grandkids knows your kids are coming home from school talking about all the stuff that they're learning about escape routes and things like that. So we want to make sure that hopefully you won't need CatRec Restoration. But if you do, if that is something that is happening in your life, there are people who not only have the expertise, but have the compassion to walk you through that. And there's a 24/7 emergency line on your screens right now. 1-800-598-9813. Once again, thank you so much for the time this morning.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Appreciate
much.
it. We'll be right back.